YouTube. This is Turf Tech or Ironhide. Got this scroll bending attachment for the Harbor Freight bar bender, and just wanted to do a quick review of it, show you its good parts, its bad parts. For the most part, I really like this tool. It's a good tool. It works. You can make very quick scroll bends. Its one weakness, if I had to pick a weakness, is that if you're bending 1/8 inch material, which I am today, this is 1/8 inch flat bar, when your bend comes around, if I can show you, alright, here we go. When your bend comes around to this point, this top half of the die relies on the width of the stock in order for it to fit right, and it should line up perfectly so your bend keeps going. If you're bending 3/16 stock, it pretty much does. It lines up really well. It looks good. If you're bending 1/8, it's back about right there, and you get a little tiny crimp in your bends. And I'll show you that. I'll show you what I mean here by that. But real fast, I'll just show you how this works and how you do it. First thing is you want to round, or soften the edges on your stock at your grinder first, because once you've bent your scroll, you can't get in there very good. So after I cut, I just take a second and zip them on the bench grinder, and then I'm ready to go. So I insert my stock right here, and then I am just going to start turning turning this piece like this. You've got this guy right here that is inserted. There you go. So it's one hole away. You've got one hole gap, and I'm just going to bang right into that with my stock, and I'm going to make a loop turn here. Okay, and that's as far as I can get with this piece right here. So now I'm going to pull this stopper out, and I'm going to put it all the way at the back by the bolt. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish. I think I'll take this one all the way to like right here. Oops, went just too far. I can take that right out, believe it or not. All right. And then I can pull my pin out, and this part comes off, and my stock can come out like so. And I've got my bottom bend. I did put a little crease in this one. This is actually, believe it or not, that's the fourth one that I've done. I just got this. But I'll be able to remove that pretty easily. It's just 1/8 inch stock. So then, what I would probably want to do now for the top is to put a little, if you want to make a nice scroll, then you'd pull this out, pop it back down where you had it the first time, and line up your stock like so. Oops, there we go. And then I'm going to make a quick bend going the other way. Just bring it to about where it kisses, and I can remove the piece and take it out, and you get a scroll bend like that. Again, you can see where I kind of put that little kink in it, but not bad at all. This is the very first one that I did. I had no idea what I was doing. I just grabbed a piece of stock sitting. I measured it to see how long it was, because I wasn't sure how long of a piece I would need, and bent it up. And then I did these two right here. So that one was my fourth scroll. And then actually, I lied. I did this with a little piece of 3/16, and I actually really like this piece. And this was just doing the small one twice, and it looks pretty good. Thinking I'll use that as a spacer somewhere. Anyway, it works good. The only complaint I would have, it's not so much with the attachment kit. The attachment, the scroll bending attachment is $49 at Harbor Freight. I had a 20% off coupon, so I got it for $39. My bender here, this last hole needs to be drilled out better. My stopper attachment doesn't go down into that hole very easily, and you might have noticed I had trouble getting it out. So I just need to drill that out, sand that out, and I'm good to go. But the thing works. I looked at other scroll bending attachments from other manufacturers, and none of the ones I saw was even close price-wise. They were a lot more money. So for what I paid for this, I'm really happy. I think I'll be able to make a lot of cool scroll work with this. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good time in the garage.